Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these extremely scrumptious nut bars. They're perfect snack food or a meal on the run, and they're so easy to prepare. Into a bowl we're going to add in the almonds, the roasted peanuts, the pumpkin seeds, the chopped up walnuts, and the coconut. Then give them a quick mix together to combine. Into a saucepan on medium heat, we're going to add in the rice malt syrup, the agave, the vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Give that a quick stir to mix all the ingredients together, and then we're going to bring that to the boil. Once the mixture has started to boil, we're going to stir that continuously for about 2 minutes. Just to make sure the coconut hasn't settled to the bottom, I'm just going to give that a quick mix through with my hands. Then we're going to pour over the hot syrup. Now this does start to firm up quite quickly, so give that a quick mix through. We're then going to pour our mixture into a pre-lined baking dish. Smooth it out so it's nice and even, there are no gaps, and it's about the thickness of a muesli bar. We're then going to pop that into the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. Slice it in half, and then we're going to slice each half into 4. Then taking some dark melted chocolate, we're going to drizzle that over the top. Now it's completely up to you. You can cover them in chocolate or you can leave them as they are. Then back into the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes to set. Oh yeah, they're crunchy and they're gooey and they're absolutely scrumptious. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks again for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!